Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today we are preparing these Hungry Jack original hash brown potatoes. So if you're a visual learner, I've got you covered. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your hash brown potatoes. You also need a large nonstick skillet and some cooking oil, whatever you prefer. I've got some beef tallow laying around that we need to use up, so I'm gonna use that. You could use butter or vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever your heart desires. You need a spatula or something to manipulate this around your pan, and a thermometer because we need very, very, very hot water. They recommend about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing we need to do is get that very, very hot water. So I've got my measuring cup filled with water and we are just going to make sure that this is hot enough. All right, we are well past 120. So now we need to open up our package of the hash browns, just like you would a milk carton. And then open up your other side also. Get that nice and wide, and we are going to fill this up with the hot water up to the fill line, which is basically the part where it starts to fold in. All right, we've got that filled up exactly to where we need to, and then we're going to just close up our container, just like that. Kind of squish it down so that that way it seals in that heat from the water. And we're going to let this sit for 12 minutes. If you want softer hash browns, they recommend letting it sit for 15 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been 12 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pan on the stove and get my heat turned on to medium high. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of whichever kind of oil you wanna use. Again, I'm using the tallow, and then we're gonna let that heat up. All right, I think my heat is about done. And here is what our hash browns look like. They will have filled up your container. Dump them right in there. And then spread them out as evenly as you can. Now, their recommendation is to fry these for about 6 minutes, stirring completely every couple minutes. I would say add your seasoning in now and season as you stir to get the parts that were not seasoned. And I also like mine to be a little bit on the crispier side, so it may take a little bit longer than 6 minutes for how I like them, but we'll see how it goes. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, time to do our first stir. And stir again. All right, it has been 6 minutes. According to them, these are done. However, these are not hash browns. These are hash whites. If you like that, then you could stop here. They're definitely soft enough you could eat them as is. However, I definitely want mine to have a bit more color. I'd like the other side to look like that. So I'm gonna stir these again and let them go a little bit longer. All right guys, so it has been 12 minutes and this is definitely looking more how I would like mine to be done. You could even go a little bit darker on this, however crispy you would like them to be, but just know that 6 minutes, they're going to be pretty light. 12 minutes, you're probably gonna get something around here, and longer if you would like them to be more crispy. And here's our completed Hungry Jack original hash brown potatoes. If you guys like this video, definitely give us a thumbs up. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.